Baby IMC, which I had a couple of offers. I had I'm Trichy and Jammu, etc. I had an offer from MDI. It was a IV wala program ka call, and IFT Kakinada was the campus.
I had two offers. One was from Nirma and the other one was from Glim.
One was from SIDTM, SIOM, and second was Tapni.
I had 96 point something.
96.
I got a 241 in NMAT.
I got a 227, 28 in NMATs.
Rigorous course, I would say, but it is meant for you.
So all our mentors are from like the industry. They are working in the industry. They are in big positions.
BYOB in Gurgaon. Sounds different to me, but build your own brand.
I think BYOB is one of the best things that has ever happened in Altera.
The sleeping pods have been the biggest talk of the town. Line लगी रहती है कि कौन जाएगा and who will use it.
Getting an HUL life project in the first semester, I don't think that would have been possible in any B school.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shiksha Insiders. I am Saurav. We help you see the real picture of colleges, the ground reality directly from the campus, which is not there in the brochure. So today, we are at Altera Institute inside Cyber City, Gurugram. You must have hardly heard about it, but we are getting a lot of queries around it. This B school is new, but founded by leaders from HUL, GSK, Ben, and many other top companies. The idea is simple: learn directly from the industry, not just textbooks. We'll give you a walkthrough of the campus. We'll connect with students, talk about their campus life, learning experience, and how is this program helping them shape their career. Come with me. Let's get inside. So let's start with a quick intro. Would like to know about you guys and what are your career aspirations, and I would like audience to know about that. So please start with you.
Hi, my name is Suyash. For the last 5 years, I've worked in the space of data analytics. I've been working on highly unstructured problems, and while working on these projects, I realized there's a long way to go. I observed there's a huge gap between academia and industry these days. So I wanted to learn from people who have actually worked in the industry and can provide me that mentorship that I needed to succeed in life. So one of my career aspirations is to become a product manager.
So hi, I'm Vidhi and I came from a finance background. I worked 1 year at KPMG as an audit associate, and while working at KPMG, I realized that finance wasn't my cup of thing because I started creating content alongside, and there I came across one of the founder reaching me because of my work, and I shifted into marketing, a totally different segment, and where I experienced how brand works, how algorithm works. But later I realized that advertisement and marketing is not only content, it's more of it. So I was exploring colleges for marketing and everything. I have 2 years of experience and I came from a work background, so I don't want to invest my 2 years at a traditional B school. So that's why I came across Altera, and here we get everything in just 1 year. I aspire to become a brand manager because brand is something that fascinates me.
Hi, Darshan this side. So I've been more into a technical kind of background. From my study experience, I would say that I was a pharmaceutical engineer. Then I shifted to for working in labs for like around 8 months, and after that I joined Marico in their R&D department. So I gave CAT. After that, there were many line of colleges for me, but coming from a work experience, I needed it should be like something short, something sweet. The major POD that Altera gave me was a mentor kind of learning, and it was a 1 year kind of course which was a +1 point for me because I wanted a course that was short and sweet. But it was not sweet. It is a rigorous course, I would say, but it is meant for you. The next role which I want to do after this is a prod man role, because I think coming from a technical background and learning marketing, I think prod man role is a thing which would suit me.
So you all are from different backgrounds, right? So I would like to know about the mentorship here and about your mentors. So how accessible are your mentors, and I mean, how are they helping you shape your career here?
As for me, I'm very much interested in product management. So we have a faculty, Mr. Sunmeet. So he's an ex-Urban Company employee, and so he teaches in multiple universities as well. So like that mentor is very accessible for me. Like he is very open and candid during the classroom discussions that we have. And many people, like even after the class, they stay back, they ask their doubts. He's very patient. He goes through their doubts like slowly, and he makes sure that everyone is able to understand his point of view and come to a conclusion. Like I can remember, like for an instance, I can remember the discussion I had with him last week. So like after the class, he started showing on the products that he has worked on and some of the features that he has integrated, like he integrated AI into one of the features, and this is something which, you know, sparked curiosity in many of the minds in my classroom, and especially me, like how AI is being integrated in businesses. So this was a very cool thing, cool discussion that I had with my mentor.
If I talk about a single mentor, that we have a modern sales subject here, and in which he's an industry expert. What we do here is not just about learning how we do sales and everything, not just theoretical concepts, but he made us do practically. Like we literally sat in front of him and he made us do live sales conversation, like how it actually works, how you have to say, and he cross question us on it, because that's how real scenario works. Not only this, he also showed us how real CRM software works, like so that we get a edge over other students and other B schools, actually how the industry we are stepping into and the role we are getting into works. So that's the plus point we get into Altera and while learning here.
During lectures, they clear your doubts like very patiently. They listen to what your thought process is, and like they deliver on basis of that.
Is it true?
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
I would say ki it is not like ki they have to rush through a course, but they would see ki whether you're able to understand that thing, whether you're able to grasp that thing or not.
Adding on to these assignments and lectures, apart from that, we are working on our term projects and live projects as well. Like term projects, we are building our own brands basically from scratch, because what we have learned in term 1, like all the basics of advertising, we are putting that into our own brand, like how consumer behave, how ICP is done, how to target those consumers and build on it. So we are building our brands from scratch, and we have also like assigned mentor. Each group has 3 members, 2 to 3 members, and they have assigned individual mentors for one-to-one guidance. So that is a very good thing, because we need it, because that we are doing it for the first time and giving a hands-on experience while learning and building our own brands at Altera is something that is crazy.
So I think I've taken a lot of time for you guys. I think you have to catch up for your classes. So it's quite clear that these students have well-defined goals and they are getting proper support from industry mentorship and a well-designed course also. The schedule is tight, but yeah, they're living with it. So we have done enough serious talks. Let's talk to some other students. Let's have some fun also. Come. So we had a lot of discussion around academics. So I'm really interested to know that what do you guys do other than academics, like outside of the classroom and projects, what do you do?
So even in this hectic schedule at Altera, we have various clubs that help us in various fun events. We have Meraki, Verba, Nexus. Meraki is our cultural and social club.
Tell me about the hangout places around the campus.
I think that's my favorite part about being near Cyber Hub, because we have a lot of nice places. It's just literally over the bridge and you're in Cyber Hub. There are great, amazing places to eat at. Even if the breaks are literally very tight, you can make some time and genuinely just go check them out. It's really worth it.
So I mean, I would like to know about hostel facilities. So I mean, you can tell me about the girls one, yeah.
We have 2 hostels also. One is a co-ed one, wherein we have girls and boys mixed up. The second one is only for boys. So I can just tell you about the girls one, of course.
Okay.
So for us, we have a mess where we get a lot of variety of food. So we get breakfast and dinner basically. Lunch we have to just look out for ourselves. And we have all the major facilities from washing area to we have a gym also in the basement. So we have table tennis and foosball there as well.
There as well.
Yeah, and we've also put up a TV so we can arrange TV rooms, as Arya also mentioned that their committee, they help us, arrange movie nights and stuff. So about that, and I mean, even the staff there is pretty cooperative. मतलब अभी recently I remember I was not feeling well. तो दीदी ने मेरे को चाय बना के दी specially. So I was like, it was so sweet of her. Because even she was not well and उन्होंने specially मेरे लिए चाय बनाई. So I was pretty okay, homely feeling आ गई.
The major part in boys hostel जहाँ सब लोग होते हैं that is the gym. उसके अलावा भी both the hostel managers. It's one of the best managers I have had. मैं previously भी hostel में रहा हूँ.
Okay.
But these are one of the best managers. If I have an issue, they have an app. मैं सिर्फ app में issue करता हूँ, ticket raise करता हूँ और just I call the manager.
Okay.
And within that day, I would say कि मेरी electricity नहीं चल रही है या मेरा light bulb बिगड़ गया है. Within 30 seconds or maximum in a day, it gets solved. So yeah, both the facilities are
Systematic.
very systematic.
Okay. So I'm really going to talk more, but I guess I'm tired standing. So let's get some space, sit, and then talk. Yeah. Okay. Chalo, let's go. Okay. So this is better. Thanks, guys. So I would like to ask a question that which other college that you guys were comparing or you had an offer from before coming to Altera?
For me personally, I had Baby IMC, which I had a couple of offers. I had Trichy and Jammu, etc.
Okay.
I had an offer from MDI. It was a IV wala program ka call. And IFT Kakinada was the campus, and that's the calls that I had. Yeah.
I mean, I am Sanal. What was your score though?
I had 96 points.
96. Okay, great. Oh, hi. Okay, I would like to ask the same question to Gunbar.
Sure. So I had two offers. One was from Nirma and the other one was from Glim. And as for my percentile, I got a 241 in NMAT.
Oh my god. Okay, great. Aditi, yeah, you tell me.
So sir, I also had two offers, and if one was from SIDTM, SIOM, like the Symbiosis colleges that SNAP offers, and second was TAPME, which I got from NMAT only. So like I got a 227, 28 in NMAT, so yeah, somewhere there.
Oh, I mean, all the top scorers around me, I'm feeling really inferior. So I would like to know about your peer group in the class. Like, how are they? Who would like to pick? Yeah.
So in our class we have people from almost all background. We have engineers, we have non-engineers, we have people from commerce background. In our batch we have a girl. She was a dentist, so she has done various. So we have very diverse background. I come from optometry background, which is eye specialist. So we have very diverse background in our class. So now we have people here from all the different backgrounds. So they teach me, and what I'm good at, I teach them. So
That's great.
Yeah, no, 100%. Like, I think day before yesterday only Rishabh was teaching us supply chain management, which was like amazing. So, because like I come from a political science background, so like I just did an undergrad and then I came here.
So would like to know that how is PGP, helping shape your career? Anyone tell me about this program particularly?
I had an opportunity of, going into the traditional MBA or 2-year MBA. I mean, that is what someone would do. Like, I'm just 21 and I came for a 1-year program. Like, 1-year MBA was something which I never thought I would do in the first place. But then I was very skeptical at first, but then I feel I really enjoying my decision here, because the kind of learning that I'm getting here, the industry exposure that I've got, I mean, getting an HUL life project in the first semester, I don't think that would have been possible in any B school, I'd say.
Everyone has evolved in their journey so far in 5 months a lot, right? So anyone can tell me any significant improvement or change you have seen in yourself as a person, as a your overall personality that in 5 months? Rishabh was allowed to say, yeah.
This one. So there was this term one, there's this course called FPPS. It's First Principle Problem Solving.
Oh.
Yeah. And look at the reactions. Why that? It was the most grueling, but the most satisfying course.
Okay.
But you used to spend hours decoding a case, solving a problem. Randomly sir आएंगे और बोलेंगे कि दिल्ली की मेट्रो में इस स्टेशन में कितने लोग निकलते होंगे. Like जो consulting cases में you get guesstimates, right?
Okay.
So उन guesstimates को solve करने का तरीका, there's an entire course on it. And in general सोचने का तरीका, to the extent where it's just ingrained in our brains. अब कोई normal सी चीज़ भी बोलता है. So you just start breaking down the problem instinctively, and that things happen. So it's there.
Yeah.
So I want to add something to that. So as Rishabh mentioned earlier, so like first day pay, we were there for 14 hours. So it has not gotten better. So every day we are like here till 2 or 3 in the night.
Okay.
And then next day we have class at 9. So yeah. So but I think in myself, the most drastic change that has gotten is like the managing time. Like the schedule is so tight and we have so much work to do, and it's like कि 24 hours बहुत कम है और और होने चाहिए एक दिन मैथ.
The one thing that every single person has learned is the absolute rigor this place makes you go through. Is the mindset shift जो कहते हैं ना, that just happens. You don't care about anything. तुम्हें बस काम निपटाना भी नहीं, तुम्हें काम करना है सही तरीके से एंड सारी चीज़ें सही तरीके से करनी है, which I don't think मतलब इस डिग्री तक इंस्टिल होता किसी में भी if had we not been in.
Is it because of Cyber Hub, the environment around, or the classroom or your campus?
I think it is specifically because of Altera and the way the things are designed. It is typically the case in B schools, but here I think it is to a much larger extent because it's a one-year program. So instead of 2 years, you're crunching everything down, और एक साल में ही करेंगे जिसमें वही placements हैं. And मतलब you just think about it, the acads they're running, placements they're running, the live projects are running. There's a term project called BYOB, Build Your Own Brand.
So BYOB in Gurgaon. Sounds different to me, but build your own brand. So can someone tell me about BYOB here?
Yeah. I think BYOB is one of the best things that has ever happened in Altera. You build your own product from start. No university gives you.
Right.
From base, from ideation to research to ideation to manufacturing, production, and even sales. And so, yes, yeah, it is a great experience.
So that was great. I would like to know more about placements. I mean, how was the placement last year happened, and can someone give me some highlights about it? Yeah.
I think my decision, मतलब मैंने तो बहुत ज़्यादा देखा था with respect to the placements and whatever happened. So to begin with, a placement reports हमारी कुछ time पहले ही release हुई है, and to begin with, it's an audited report. So there's a standard set by IIM Ahmedabad.
Okay.
And you have to audit your placement report by that standard.
Okay.
And Altera is amongst the only few institutes in the country who actually does it.
Oh.
As far as I know, I think only Ahmedabad, IIM Udaipur, and our institute has done it. I may be wrong, but like 5 at max करते होंगे.
Okay.
And as far as the numbers are concerned, we did 18.1 was the median. A 2-year institute doing an 18.1 median, and that is an audited number, so that's crazy. And then we did about 16.85 ka we had a mean. So it's a very, very good numbers, and the fact is सब audited है. And this is not the case with other universities, with other colleges. Let's be very clear on that. I think I have a grudge with a lot of colleges because I was in connect with a lot of alumni of other colleges before I took the decision to join. And वहाँ पे there are a lot of malpractices that go on. Proud to say nothing of this sort happens at Altera Institute, and it's all audited, of course.
So this is not a traditional campus. It has a very modern and next generation corporate setup into it. And the best part, its location. I'm standing on the top floor of Cyber City, and trust me, views are amazing. The program is rigorous, but students are saying it's worth it. So this was our day at Altera Institute on Shiksha Insiders. If you want to know more, drop your comments below. We'll get back to you. This is Saurav signing off. See you in the next video. Thank you.